Imagine a city where history, culture, and modernity intertwine in an exquisite blend, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. Welcome to Moscow, the heart of Russia. This city, brimming with centuries of rich history, has transformed over time, becoming a melting pot of cultural diversity. Moscow's vibrant lifestyle is a testament to its people who have embraced the old and the new, creating a harmony that is both intriguing and invigorating. Traditional onion-domed churches stand proudly beside gleaming skyscrapers, a testament to the city's architectural evolution and its respect for its roots. The city's cultural tapestry is as diverse as its architecture, with influences from East and West, past and present, all contributing to its unique charm. Moscow is not just a city, it's a living, breathing testament to a rich past and a promising future. Moscow, a city that has witnessed the tide of time and stood strong, beckons you to experience its rich heritage. Standing at the center of Moscow, the Red Square and the Kremlin encapsulate the power and grandeur of Russia. These iconic landmarks bear witness to the country's tumultuous history, each brick and stone echoing tales of czars, revolutions, and the rise of a global superpower. Imagine walking across the vast expanse of the Red Square, dwarfed by the majestic St. Basil's Cathedral with its colorful onion domes. It's not just a feast for the eyes, it's a journey through time. On one side, the State Historical Museum stands like a sentinel, guarding centuries of Russian history within its red brick walls. Then there's the Kremlin, a fortified complex that has been the seat of Russian power for centuries. Its golden-domed cathedrals and grand palaces are a testament to the country's architectural prowess. Navigating these sites is like leafing through the pages of a living history book. A visit to Moscow is incomplete without exploring the Red Square and the Kremlin, symbols of Russia's enduring strength and resilience. Beyond its political and historical landmarks, Moscow is also a treasure trove of cultural and recreational attractions. The city's heartbeat can be heard loud and clear in the halls of the Bolshoi Theatre, a beacon of performing arts that has been illuminating the world stage for over 2 centuries. Here, ballet and opera performances echo the rich tapestry of Russia's cultural heritage. Just a stone's throw away is Gorky Park, an urban oasis where Muscovites and visitors alike can unwind amidst lush greenery, playful fountains, and the tranquil Moskva River. It's a place for leisurely strolls, picnics, and ice cream indulgence on a sunny day. And let's not forget Moscow's other cultural gems. The Pushkin Fine Arts Museum, with its impressive collection of European art, and the Tretyakov Gallery, home to thousands of Russian artworks, are both must-visits for art enthusiasts. Whether you're a culture enthusiast or a nature lover, Moscow offers a rich palette of experiences to satiate your interests. As the sun sets, Moscow transforms into a vibrant hub, offering a nightlife experience that's as eclectic as the city itself. The Russian capital has a unique rhythm that beats louder as the moon takes over the sky. This city never sleeps, and neither will you, as you dive into an incredible array of nighttime activities. From traditional taverns serving authentic Russian cuisine to ultra-modern nightclubs pulsating with electronic beats, there's a spot for every taste. There's the timeless charm of the classic Russian taverns, where you can immerse yourself in the local culture. These places are filled with the warm laughter of patrons, clinking glasses, and the rich aroma of hearty Russian dishes. Then there are the modern nightclubs where global DJs spin tracks that echo through the neon-lit dance floors. These venues symbolize Moscow's progressive side, showcasing the city's ability to embrace the new while preserving its rich heritage. Moscow's nightlife, with its intriguing mix of the old and the new, is an adventure in itself. From its rich history and culture to its vibrant nightlife, Moscow promises an unforgettable travel experience. This remarkable city, teeming with grand architecture and bustling streets, is not just Russia's political epicenter, but also a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing in the heart of the Red Square, feeling the power and majesty of the Kremlin. Picture yourself wandering through Gorky Park or witnessing a world-class performance at the Bolshoi Theatre. And when the sun sets, Moscow transforms. Its nightlife a thrilling blend of tradition and modernity. But Moscow's unique appeal goes beyond its attractions. It's in the rhythm of daily life, the warmth of its people, and the sheer diversity of experiences it offers. From the food lover to the history buff, the thrill seeker to the culture vulture, there's something for everyone in this vibrant metropolis. Experience the allure of Moscow, a city that beautifully blends the past with the present. Don't forget to look in the video description for a link to inexpensive travel options. Subscribe to our channel and let us know your dream destination in the comments below.